Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fold your Hyundai Tucson back seat. First, make sure there are no items on or around the rear seats that could obstruct the folding process. Next, slide the front seats forward as much as possible to create ample room for the rear seats to fold down completely. Also, lower the rear headrests to their lowest position or remove them, and route the seat belts to the side to prevent damage. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy transformation of your cargo area. Once prepared, locate the release lever on the top outer edge of each rear seat. You might also find remote release levers in the cargo area itself. Pull this lever firmly to disengage the seatback latch. As you pull, gently push the seatback forward and down into the footwell. Ensure the seatback is fully lowered and flat to maximize your cargo space. With the seatbacks folded down, you'll notice a significantly larger cargo area. Ensure both sections are pressed down firmly and are completely flat, creating a continuous surface from the trunk to the front seats. This expanded space offers up to 83 cubic feet of cargo volume, perfect for transporting longer items, sports equipment, or luggage for a big trip. It truly maximizes your Tucson's versatility for any adventure. To return the seats to their upright position, simply lift each seat back firmly until you hear an audible click, indicating it's securely latched. Reinstall or raise the headrests and adjust your front seats back to your preferred driving position. You're now ready for passengers again. Also, for those looking to improve their financial outlook, check out the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.